Hello guys, my name is Eden. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you've never seen my face before, you probably do not know the fact that I am one of those crazy ass girls that do their notes like this, you know? And you know what? Honestly, it puts you in a really weird spot because you have all these really pretty notes that are really fun to look at and really satisfying to look at. Like, let's be honest, they're just so nice to look at. However, you don't know what the heck to do with them. You just have piles of them that you don't want to throw away because you work so hard to make them pretty. I'm now in that situation where I have notebooks upon notebooks upon notebooks, and I thought, oh, this could be a really great YouTube video. So here we are. Also, if you are new to this channel, you do not know the fact I was in AP World History last year as a person that takes notes like this. I did a video on how I take notes, which is a different format than how I actually take these notes. I'm gonna be completely honest, like, I got really lazy and I was not perfect with my note taking. Not perfect at all. So there were days where my notes and my handwriting were just like, yeah, I'm not feeling it. And there were a lot of days where I was just like in the mood, listening to Christmas music, just jamming out the notes, you know? So today, I am gonna show you all of my notes from the 2020-21 school year. Alrighty, let's get to the flip through. Alrighty everybody, I'm going to put on some copyright-free music right now, and if that is not your jam and not what you're feeling right now, please feel free, by all means, mute the video and listen to your own music in the background as you watch me satisfyingly flip through a ton of notes. Alrighty, enjoy the video.
Baby, please don't think I'm being lazy. I lay all here in my crazy. I burn for you, maybe one day you can save me. All of your grace, that's amazing.
Alrighty everybody, that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was entertaining in some way. Maybe it inspired you to take notes like this. I am in fact going to make another video later this summer in how I took notes for AP World and all these different notes, because it did change from my last how I took my notes video. But if you do want to go watch that video, definitely, it's not a bad video. I will not say it's a bad video. I'm just saying I changed my method. So that's that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!